Do you have one special spot that you enjoy their shawarma? See, today, guys, I'm going to share with you one special shawarma recipe you are going to enjoy. This is so yummy, so tasty, and it is even easy to make. Hey, so guys, let's get started. In my bowl, I'll be adding in some onion. I'll add in salt. This is the marinade you'll be using for the chicken. This is my thyme, my seasoning powder, mixed spices. I'll be adding in garlic and ginger, pepper, and I'll add in oil to mix this thoroughly. So after mixing it, I'll be adding in my orange juice. This juice takes this chicken from 0 to 100%. You need to add the orange juice. So after mixing it, I'll be dipping in my chicken breast into this marinade. I'll make sure that everything is well coated. I'll make sure that everything is well coated, and once that is done, I'm going to put this in my fridge for 12 hours or more for it to marinate well. So after 12 hours, it's almost getting frozen. So I'm just going to take this lovely chicken breast into my grilling pan. I'm going to grill this chicken till it is done. And by this side of my grilling pan, I'll be adding in the sausages we are going to use too, so they can all grill together. We have to save time by doing this. Just take a look at this, guys. See, the chicken is seasoning well, and I'm just going to turn it once a side is done. I will turn it for the other side to get cooked too. And one thing I always do to make sure that my chicken cooks evenly is that I always poke it in. That way I'm sure that it will have to cook thoroughly. As the chicken is getting ready, we can make together my special sauce. And here I've added in my mayonnaise, condensed milk. I'll be adding in some ketchup. I'll add in my pepper. This is Cameroon pepper, just a little bit of it, and my lemon juice. So I'm just going to mix it thoroughly and this sauce is the main deal. You need to make this your sauce very tasty and spicy at the same time, just in between. And I've set this aside. Our chicken is ready, so I'm just going to flake up the chicken. This is what it looks like. So in my bowl, I'm going to pour in my cabbage. I've already cut it. This is my grated carrot. I'll be pouring in the chicken. This is our spicy and tasty chicken. I'll pour in my special sauce and I'm going to mix this thoroughly. This is already a food on its own. If you are doing fit farm, hey, you can enjoy this alone. This is so good. Just take a look at this. It is so good. So I'm just going to set this aside and we are ready to assemble everything together. So here is my tortilla wrap. You can use your flat bread. So I'm using the one at my disposal. So I'm rubbing my sauce all over the tortilla wrap. Just rubbing the sauce very well. Once that is done, I'm just going to scoop in this our cabbage, carrot, chicken and sauce that we made together, and I've added in some sausages. This is totally optional, but I like that. And we're going to be adding more of our sauce. See, you want your shawarma to be juicy and not dry, so you need that. So I'm just going to repeat this process till we have exhausted our tortilla wraps. I said, let me ask you, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? See, why have you not subscribed yet to our YouTube channel? What is still holding you back? See, this is a perfect opportunity for you to just click the subscribe button below. It is free. They are not charging you for it. Just subscribe to my channel. I share relatable recipe, Simple recipe you can recreate with ease. You can find the ingredients around you and they are very very delicious. So guys, just take this time and click on the subscribe button below. Thank you. So I'm just going to show you how I fold this in. So I'm just going to start wrapping it just gradually. You tuck in the whole sauce inside, you press it down and you are ready to roll your shawarma. It's as simple as that. So guys, this is it. You have rolled it, you have sealed it up, and I'm going to transfer this to my grilling pan. I'm going to allow this to grill on both sides till it is done. Tortilla wraps takes less than 5 to 10 minutes to be ready, so you have to keep an eye on this so that it does not get burned. So once one side of it is cooked, I'm just going to turn to the other side for it to get cooked also. So you can decide to wrap it with your foil paper or paper like the ones you buy along the road, so that's totally optional. See, our shawarma is ready and it's as simple as that. This is so good. Let's see how the inside is. It's very juicy on the inside and it's very tasty. You need to try this out and I'm sure you're going to love it. I would like to see you next time. Bye.